नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण स्टँडर्ड 8 युनिट नंबर 3 इंडायसेस अँड क्यूब रूट याला सुरुवात करणार आहोत. इंडायसेस अँड क्यूब रूट म्हणजे घातांक आणि घनमूळ. इन अर्लियर स्टँडर्ड यू हॅव लर्न अबाउट इंडायसेस अँड लॉज ऑफ इंडायसेस. घातांक आणि घातांकाचे नियम याविषयी तुम्ही अभ्यास केलेला आहे. बघा, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 इट मीन्स 2 raised to 5. यामध्ये आपण 2चा 5 वेळेस गुणाकार केलेला आहे आणि हेच आपण ह्या पद्धतीने लिहू शकतो 2 raised to 5. इन दिस 2 इज अ बेस अँड 5 इज इंडेक्स. 2 यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो, पाया. 5 इट इज नोन ॲज अ इंडेक्स, म्हणजे याला आपण घातांक म्हणतो. So 2 raised to 5 it is a index form of number. 2 raised to 5 is a index form of number. तुम्ही अजून एखादं एक्झाम्पल या ठिकाणी घेऊ शकता. सपोज 5 into 5 into 5 it means 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3. In this example base is a 5 and index is a 3. Base 5, index 3. So it is a index form of this number. In this way we have mentioned index form of different numbers. Now next one is we have to study laws of indices. आपल्याला घातांकाचे नियम हे आपण जे बघितलेले आहे ते पुन्हा एकदा रिवाइज करायचे. So next point is laws of indices. Laws of indices. Suppose if m and n are integers, then first rule, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n, because in this example or in this rule base is common. बेस काय सारखा आहे. सो देयर इज अ ऍडिशन ऑफ इंडेक्स, म्हणून घातांकाची काय करतो आपण, ऍडिशन करतो. सो a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n, that is addition of index. एक्झाम्पल बघूया आपण. 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3 is equal to, here base is same, बेस कसा आहे, सारखा आहे. सो 3 raised to इंडेक्स जे आहे त्यांची ऍडिशन करायची, 4 plus 3 that is 3 raised to 7. So this is the first rule of indices. घातांकाचा हा पहिला नियम आहे जो आपण या ठिकाणी बघितलेला आहे. नेक्स्ट पुढचा नियम बघूया आपण. Second rule, a raised to m divide by a raised to n. In this rule base are same. यामध्ये पण काय बेस सारखा आहे, but division process is here. याच्यामध्ये काय डिव्हिजन दिलेला आहे. So in this a raised to m minus n, या ठिकाणी आपण काय करतो, इंडेक्स जे आहे त्यांचं सबट्रॅक्शन आपण या ठिकाणी करतोय. सपोज एक्झाम्पल घेऊया आपण. 4 raised to 7 divided by 4 raised to 2. Base is same, so there is a subtraction of index, that is 4 raised to 7 minus 2 is equal to 4 raised to 5. So this is your answer. So this is the second rule of indices. Now next one is next rule, that is third rule. A into b bracket raised to m. A into b bracket raised to m. So in this a raised to m as well as b raised to m. So we can write this in this form, a raised to m into b raised to m. So this is the third rule of indices. Third rule of indices. In bracket, a into b raised to m. So a raised to m into b raised to m. Example बघूया त्याचा. Suppose 5 into 7 bracket raised to 2. So it can be written in this form as 5 raised to 2 into 7 raised to 2. In this example, value of a is 5 and value of b is 7. Hence, a raised to m here is 5 raised to 2 and 7 raised to 2. So this is the third rule of indices. Now next one is suppose a raised to 0, then its value is 1. A raised to 0. If the index is 0, then its answer is 1. Example 6 raised to 0, its value is 1. So this is our next rule of indices. Now next one is fifth rule. Suppose index is a negative number, a raised to minus m, then it is written as 1 upon a raised to m. Example बघूया त्याचं. Suppose 7 raised to minus 3. So it could be written as 1 upon 7 raised to 3. So this is our next rule. Now next one is sixth rule. A raised to m bracket raised to n, then a raised to m into n. In this case, we have to multiply the index. Example घेऊया त्याचं. Example 9 raised to 2 raised to 3. Then by the rule of indices, 9 raised to 2 into 3, that is 9 raised to 6. This is our answer. Now next one is next rule. A upon b raised to m. Then we have to write this a raised to m upon b raised to m. Example you have the 4 upon 5 raised to 3. Then it could be written as 4 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 3. So this is our seventh rule of indices. Now next rule, that is eighth rule. A upon b raised to minus m. Here index is a negative number, so it could be written as b upon a raised to plus m. See here. Here is a negative index. While converting it into positive index, we should reciprocal this given number, that is a upon b, convert into b upon a. Example 7 upon 2 raised to minus 2. Then it should be written as 2 upon 7 raised to 2. So in this way we have revised all the laws of indices. Using laws of indices, we have to solve given examples. First example, 3 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 2. In this example, base same, base is same, so there is a addition of index, that is 3 raised to 5 plus 2, that is 3 raised to 7. So this is our answer. So by using rules of indices, we have to solve all the examples. Second one is 3 raised to 9 divided by 3 raised to 7. In this example, bases are same, but there is a division, so we have to subtract the index, that is 3 raised to 9 minus 7, that is 3 raised to 2. This is our answer. Now next one is third example, 3 raised to 4 raised to 5. We have seen that if there is a raised to m raised to n, in that case we have to multiply the index. Same rule is used here, that is 3 raised to 4 into 5, that is 3 raised to 20. So this is next example, 5 raised to minus 3. In this example, we have to write this 1 upon 5 raised to 3 by using rule. So you have to solve this example with the help of laws of indices. Next one is 5 raised to 0. What is the answer of this example? 1, right? 5 raised to 0, it means 1. Now next one is 5 raised to 1 is equal to 5 raised to 1, simple. 5 raised to 1 is 5. Now next example, 5 into 7 raised to 2. So in this example we have to write this 5 raised to 2 into 7 raised to 2 with the help of laws of indices. Now next one is 8th example, 5 upon 7 raised to 3. So by using rule we can write this 5 raised to 3 upon 7 raised to 3. Now next one is last example, 9th example, 5 raised to 7, 5 upon 7 raised to minus 3. So by using rule we can solve it as 7 upon 5 raised to plus 3. Index become positive by using rule. So in this way we have to solve given example with the help of laws of indices.